Hello, I'm Adarius, and I'm with AAA Customs. And today, I'm going to show you guys how to change out that battery and that annoying beeping smoke detector that we keep hearing on your videos in IG or anywhere else you record. If you don't have a ladder, a stool. If you don't have a stool, a chair. Meaning, there's no excuses to change this little bad boy out. You're going to take your chair, you're going to take your stool, you're going to take your ladder. Disclaimer, make sure that chair, that stool, or that ladder supports that BBL or that big back. Now back to the installation. It's got like a little plug at the top of it. And before y'all start, I know my hands are ashy. Now back to the video. Just take it, flip it out. Take the battery out. And you take it and you reinstall it. Voila, you won't be ruining your videos anymore, and you won't be hurting our ears when we're looking at your videos. AAA Custom LLC, and we out.